Frequently, prospective clients ask me, why should I pay you $450 to do my taxes when I can use software, do it myself for $150? Here's the reason. Software doesn't interview you to discover the details of your circumstances. When I know the details of your circumstances, I can usually reduce your tax bill and increase your refund. It is in these details that I use to turn the tax code in your favor. So what makes more sense? Paying $150 and getting back $650, or paying me $450 and getting back, say, $1,650. See what I mean? And by the way, we may even be able to arrange for you to pay our fee out of your refund. Now you understand why we like to say,
when does paying less actually cost you more?
when you don't use 1776taxprep.com.